My name is Taylor Donohue, and this is my bridge project. Bridges help people, animals, and vehicles get from one place to another when obstacles are in the way. We need bridges to help us get over gaps that are too big for a person to walk over, bodies of water, and roads without closing the way under it. Arch bridges. The arch bridge is one of the oldest bridges in history. On each side there is a piece called an abutment. An abutment is what keeps the bridge down with weight on each side. Beam bridge. The beam bridge gets its name because the bridge is a beam that lays on two piers each. How a beam bridge works is the top of the bridge is a strong beam made for cars, people, etc. The beam puts its weight into the piers, which act like abutments. Truss bridge. The truss bridge works because it is made from triangles put together. The triangle is the strongest shape because if you were to push down a triangle, nothing would happen because of its angles. A cantilever bridge. A cantilever is a long horizontal beam. A cantilever bridge is made up of probably a few dozen cantilevers. On a cantilever bridge, it looks like it's made up of arches and horizontal shapes. From what I know, I bet that the load probably puts its weight into the arches, which then goes into the cantilevers. Tiered arch bridge. The word tiered means for there to be multiple rows on top of each other. A tiered arch bridge works just like an arch bridge. Each bridge holds the weight of the arch bridge on top of it. Suspension bridge. The suspension bridge gets its name because the roadway on it is suspended by the cable coming from the tower. In between the towers, there is a pole that bends down. On that pole, the suspension wires hold up the bridge by pulling on it. Cable stayed bridge. A cable is a long metal cord usually used for construction. A cable bridge works a lot like a suspension bridge, just without the long pole that runs down. On a cable bridge, there's 2 or 1 towers with long cables running down. The cables are pulled on both sides, causing tension, which from the top pulls the bridge up, keeping it up. Pedestrian bridge. The pedestrian bridge gets its name from the word pedestrian, which means a publicly walking person. The pedestrian bridge is a bridge made for people to walk on, so it's not made for heavy lifting. And then at the end of my slides, I have a watchable video.